So many couples who come to me, they would come in stating that they have disharmony. But when we go a little deeper into the sessions, what comes out is they would be having differences of opinion based on the belief systems and opinions of either of their parents. In many cases, it happens to be the husband's parents, their belief systems, which do not seem to be aligning with the wife's, and that is where the arguments and differences of opinions set in. What is important for the couple, both of them to realize, respect, and understand is first of all their own boundaries. What all is acceptable within their space of matrimony. Second, yes, they need to be able to appreciate and differentiation where the parents' involvement is necessary, where their parents' belief system is important to be adopted into their marital life, and where it needs to be set aside so that their marital life continues to remain in harmony. The third important aspect is they need to seriously reflect about their belief system with respect to patriarchal mindset or not. If they belong to the patriarchal mindset, then it is only fair for the wife to adopt to all of the patterns and belief systems and practices of her husband's family. But if the couple as a unit do not believe in the patriarchal mindset and patriarchal practices, then they need to have the courage to break free and formulate their own norms and customs and practices for their unit. So these things have to be clear, and they need to set things within their harmony as to what is their priority, what is not their priority, what can be dealt with together, where one needs to adapt, one needs to let go. These are the things that the couple need to work on to build better compatibility.